So I decided to do the front differential change, and I think it needed it. I don't know, what do you think? So the oil was very dark. Happens, I guess. Who knows if it's ever been changed? So definitely was worth doing. I haven't put the new oil in. It looks like a Muppet or something, but hopefully, I know this is magnetized, but hopefully we got all the stuff and there's not too much other metal floating around in there. Yeah, that's not good. So, yeah, I thought I would give Amsoil a try. I've heard many good things about it. I've heard a lot of people say it's not worth the money, but most of the testing that I've seen states that this is a superior oil. I'll give it a shot. They're made here in the U.S., United States company, and I'll put the pricing down. I don't know. I mean, it's probably double what you would pay. This is the gear lube that calls for this vehicle, the 2007 Yukon and others. This is 7590, and it's fully synthetic. And so I'm probably, based on what I'm seeing here, we'll do one oil change now, fluid change, and then I don't know, wait another 6 months and do another one a little bit earlier than what I would normally do, just to kind of make sure I get all that stuff out of there, and I'll check the wear. But yeah, just a quick little video on that. Wanted to show you how bad this was. I don't know if that's normal. I'm sure that the oil or that the metal shavings is normal. I don't know if this is a normal amount. If this is too much, I don't know if this has ever been changed, but definitely good that I'm doing it now. So hopefully the damage is not too far gone. It's running fine. A little bit of slop up front. I don't know if it's from this or a drive shaft or a CV boot, but just I noticed just a little bit of slop if you're accelerating and then you let off and it downshifts every once in a while, just a little bit of a clunk, if you will. So I also went ahead and replaced the tail or the back glass, the struts. Those were about $30. Got those from Rock Auto, the Monroes. So I think they were 30 or 40. Maybe they were 40. I'll put the prices on both the Amsoil and the struts. The one thing on the Amsoil, I signed up for their $20 membership for a year, and they gave you basically 25% discount on all of the oil and free shipping. So I ordered about, I think, 4 of these, 2 for the front, 2 for the back, and I think I ordered fluid for the main differential transfer case, and then I did the transmission fluid. So that'll be next as well. All right, so nothing exciting, just wanted to at least show you how bad this was. And so if you're not sure that yours has ever been done, I would get on it and do it now.